and today we have ordered Country Delight cow milk. They have also given Country Delight milk kit. Let us test it over. So this particular milk undergoes 75 tests. So this is the milk testing kit which was given by Country Delight, and this is the test booklet, and this is a lab report. Okay, let's check it out. So for now I'm going to test this urea. Let us check it out. So let us test this urea, which is this. Opening it. Okay, let's check it out. We gotta wait for 5 minutes. And this time I'm going to test heritage milk. This time we are going to test the starch level of adulteration, adding heritage milk. Let us wait for the results. This is Country Delight, and this is Heritage. Seems like Heritage is also legit. So far there is no change. It's good. I mean, there's no adulteration in Heritage too. Okay.